In this video, I'll show you how you can add stuff to your favorites on Temu. Now your favorites will be your wish list, and I'll show you how you can do this. Now actually it's not very obvious how you can do this, but I'll show you how to do it on your PC, and you can do it on your phone as well. It's the same steps, just on your phone instead. So what you want to do is you want to find anything that you want to favorite. So let's say I want to do these. Then what you want to do is you want to scroll down until you find the information. So come here and you should see the details page, and you will see a little save button. So if I click on save, it will now be added to my wish list, and I can find my wish list by hovering on your account, and you can see wish list. So if I click on here, these are all the things that I've saved, and you should be able to see them in here. Now that is basically how it's done, guys. So I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.